Have you ever had one of those watches that you don't immediately like it, but later on it grows on you, and every day, every single day, you like it more and more? Uh, this is my story with the Mega Moonwatch Speedmaster Professional. I've been aware of this watch for a long time, but I never was really that much into it. I'm more of a Gigolo Couture Reverso guy or a Rolex Datejust, but you cannot deny Omega Moonwatch. It's just a wonderful watch, looks great, and first time I saw it, I had it in my hands. I wasn't that impressed. I even mentioned that in a video I did last summer, last year, this summer. When I first held the watch in my hands, it was my first Omega Moonwatch in the hands, on the wrist, and whatnot. So before that, I only saw it through the glasses, through the shop windows, and whatnot. And it was on a metal bracelet, and to tell you the truth, I wasn't that much impressed, but I think this is one of those watches that grows on you, or you immediately like it, but that's not the case with me. And this is second time since that video. Of course, this one belongs to my friend. I play with it days and days after that. I don't film everything I do, but this is the day when he put it on this nice chocolate brownish, tobacco brownish leather band. And the day I fell in love with this watch. It was a great watch before, and I wouldn't mind having it, but today is the day when I fell in love with this one, and I had the opportunity to buy the Mega Sapphire Sandwich. I didn't, because I think the Moonwatch is where it's at, and today is the day when this watch really grow on me on this, especially on this color combination with this tobacco brown band, and I feel that I don't know, this is just one of those watches that's perfect. And when you flip it around, you see this inscription. I know I was right. I didn't buy the Sapphire Sandwich, because if I'm gonna have a Moonwatch, I'm gonna have this one. Qualified for space missions by NASA. Yeah, and there's not much to say about Omega Moonwatch. Everything's been said. There are lots of specs out there, but this is just my little story with Omega Moonwatch, and I think this one is definitely on my to buy list, or next to buy list. Unless something crazy comes up, I will be saving my money and focusing my efforts towards getting a Moonwatch.